Welcome back to Help Me GMP. Today we will be covering what is GMP, what is Annex 1, and who are the MHRA? Good manufacturing practice, or GMP, is a system for ensuring that medicinal products are consistently produced and controlled according to quality standards. It's designed to minimize the risks associated with pharmaceutical production rather than relying on final product testing. GMP covers all aspects of production, from the starting material suppliers, premises, and equipment to the training of staff and hygiene practices. Patient safety is paramount, and GMP is the bedrock of ensuring that medicines are safe and effective. It builds trust and confidence in the pharmaceutical industry, guaranteeing that products meet stringent quality requirements. Following GMP guidelines is not just a good idea, it's a legal and ethical obligation for manufacturers. GMP regulations provide a framework for manufacturers to follow, ensuring consistent quality across the pharmaceutical sector. These regulations are internationally recognized and adopted, creating a harmonized approach to drug production worldwide. Adherence to GMP helps prevent instances of contamination, mix-ups, and errors, which could have serious consequences for patients. By focusing on preventative measures, GMP minimizes the risk of defects and deviations from expected quality standards. The aim is to produce medicines that are fit for their intended use, consistently delivering the therapeutic benefit they promise. GMP is not a static concept. It's a constantly evolving system that adapts to advancements in technology and scientific understanding. Regular updates and revisions ensure that the guidelines remain relevant and effective in addressing emerging challenges. The industry's commitment to continuous improvement is reflected in the ongoing refinement of GMP principles. This dynamic approach allows GMP to stay ahead of potential risks and maintain the highest standards of quality in pharmaceutical manufacturing. GMP is a cornerstone of public health, protecting patients and ensuring the integrity of the medicines they rely on. The importance of GMP cannot be overstated. It's a fundamental system that underpins the safety and efficacy of medicinal products. By adhering to GMP, manufacturers demonstrate their commitment to producing high-quality medicines that meet the needs of patients and healthcare professionals. This commitment fosters trust and confidence in the pharmaceutical industry, ensuring that patients receive the medications they need without compromise. GMP is not merely a set of rules, it's a philosophy that prioritizes patient well-being above all else. GMP encompasses a wide range of activities within the pharmaceutical manufacturing process. These include, but are not limited to, quality control, quality assurance, sanitation, and hygiene. Clearly defined procedures and documentation are essential components of GMP, providing a traceable record of every step in the production process. This meticulous record-keeping allows for thorough investigations in case of any deviations or quality issues. Detailed standard operating procedures, or SOPs, ensure consistency and prevent errors. Qualified and trained personnel are crucial for implementing GMP effectively. Regular training programs ensure that staff are up to date with the latest GMP requirements and best practices. This investment in human capital is essential for maintaining a high level of quality and compliance. Properly trained personnel are the backbone of any successful GMP system, ensuring that procedures are followed diligently and consistently. Their expertise and attention to detail are vital for preventing errors and maintaining product integrity. Facilities and equipment must adhere to strict standards to prevent contamination and cross-contamination. Regular maintenance, cleaning, and calibration are essential to ensure that equipment operates within specified parameters. The design and layout of facilities play a significant role in minimizing the risk of contamination. Clean rooms and controlled environments are critical for maintaining the sterility of certain products. Effective environmental monitoring systems are also crucial for detecting and controlling potential contaminants. Documentation is a cornerstone of GMP, providing a comprehensive record of all manufacturing activities. Batch records, which document the entire production history of a specific batch of medicine, are crucial for traceability and investigation. These records provide evidence of compliance with GMP requirements, and allow for the identification of potential issues. Comprehensive documentation helps ensure accountability and transparency throughout the manufacturing process. It provides a clear audit trail that can be used to verify compliance and identify areas for improvement. Now let's talk specifically about the manufacture of sterile medicinal products. Annex 1 of the EU GMP guidelines specifically addresses the manufacture of sterile medicinal products. Sterile products must be free from microorganisms and other contaminants, as even minute levels of contamination can have severe consequences for patients. Annex 1 provides detailed guidance on how to achieve and maintain sterility throughout the manufacturing process. The primary objective of Annex 1 is to prevent contamination by microorganisms, particulates, and pyrogens. It outlines stringent requirements for cleanrooms, equipment, personnel, and processes. These requirements are designed to minimize the risk of contamination at every stage of production, from the raw materials to the finished product. The emphasis on contamination control is paramount, as even the smallest lapse in hygiene can compromise the sterility of the product. Annex 1 provides a comprehensive framework for managing these risks and ensuring patient safety. Several key principles underpin Annex 1's approach to sterile manufacturing. These include a strong focus on quality risk management, meticulous premises, design and control, rigorous equipment qualification, stringent control of utilities like water and air, comprehensive personnel training, and robust quality control procedures. Each of these elements plays a vital role in ensuring the sterility and safety of finished products. Annex 1 provides detailed guidance on how to implement these principles effectively. Quality risk management, or QRM, is an integral part of Annex 1, ensuring that contamination control measures are based on a scientific understanding of potential risks. QRM is a systematic approach to identifying, assessing, and controlling risks that could affect product quality and patient safety. By proactively identifying and mitigating potential risks, manufacturers can reduce the likelihood of contamination and other quality issues. This approach helps prioritize resources and efforts to maximize the effectiveness of contamination control. These arrangements are now required to be presented in an overarching document which describes all measures contributing to the control of contamination in a contamination control strategy. Premises design and control are critical for minimizing contamination risks. Clean rooms are classified according to the level of particulate and microbial contamination allowed. Annex 1 specifies requirements for air filtration, airflow patterns, and pressure differentials to prevent the ingress of contaminants. Regular monitoring and cleaning are essential to maintain the integrity of the cleanroom environment. The layout and design of the facility should facilitate efficient cleaning and disinfection procedures. Equipment qualification is another crucial aspect of Annex 1. Equipment must be designed, installed, and operated in a way that prevents contamination. This includes selecting materials that are resistant to microbial growth and easy to clean. Regular cleaning, sterilization, and maintenance are essential to ensure that equipment remains in optimal condition. Validation studies are performed to demonstrate that equipment operates as intended and effectively controls contamination. Utilities such as water and air are critical for sterile manufacturing. Annex 1 outlines stringent requirements for the quality of these utilities. Water used in the manufacturing process must meet specific purity standards to prevent contamination. Air filtration systems are essential for removing particulates and microorganisms from the air supply. Regular monitoring and testing are necessary to verify the quality of these utilities and ensure they meet the required specifications. Annex 1 provides detailed guidance on the design, operation, and maintenance of utility systems. Who is responsible for ensuring manufacturers comply? The Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency, or MHRA, is the competent authority responsible for ensuring GMP compliance in the UK. The MHRA conducts regular inspections of pharmaceutical manufacturing facilities to verify adherence to GMP guidelines. These inspections assess all aspects of production, from raw materials and premises to documentation and personnel training. The MHRA plays a critical role in ensuring the safety and quality of medicines manufactured and supplied in the UK. The MHRA's enforcement powers allow them to take action against manufacturers who fail to comply with GMP requirements. This can range from issuing warning letters and limiting activity to suspending or revoking manufacturing licenses. The MHRA's enforcement activities are crucial for deterring non-compliance and protecting public health. By taking swift and decisive action against violations, the MHRA maintains the integrity of the pharmaceutical supply chain. The MHRA also provides support to manufacturers by publishing guidance and blog posts, including annual symposia for the industry. This proactive approach helps manufacturers understand and comply with GMP requirements, fostering a culture of quality and patient safety. The MHRA's guidance and support are valuable resources for manufacturers, helping them navigate the complexities of GMP regulations. The MHRA plays a vital role in protecting public health by ensuring that medicinal products meet stringent quality standards. Their inspections, enforcement activities, and guidance contribute significantly to maintaining the integrity of the pharmaceutical industry. By upholding GMP standards, the MHRA helps ensure that patients have access to safe and effective medicines. Their work is essential for building public trust and confidence in the quality of medicinal products. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be kept up to date with more great content. Until next time, stay dedicated to quality and keep learning.